So we're in the Wigmore Fish Bar. I've been here before. The food is absolutely gorgeous. If you're a fish lover or even like a Sunday roast, come here. It's absolutely beautiful. They've got cocktails, they've got virgin cocktails, ice creams, cakes, you name it. The service is absolutely amazing. Come on in and come and enjoy the meal with us.
We're finally here at the Wigmore Fish Bar. We are in Luton, and I must say this place is really nice. It's got really nice lighting. That's the first impressions I got here. Everybody seems to be having a really good time. Everybody seems to be really, as you can hear in the background, doing a happy birthday thing now. I should tell them it's my birthday. But right now the vibe is really nice. You've got like different kind of people coming here. You've got families, friends, you know, you've got a bar behind me, so we're just gonna have a good time, see what fish we're gonna have. I think Marcia is gonna have maybe a normal fish and chips, and if they got anything different, I'll try that.
Open nearly 2 years now, so it's not July just gone, the July before. We do the cod, the haddock, the plaice, we also do scampi, cod bites, salmon, sea bass. We did used to do the skate, but we have taken the skate off the menu. We are revamping the menu as we speak, so there will be some new items coming on the menu shortly. I have the same vision as the owner, so I try and portray their vision into the restaurant for them, as well as them doing it themselves. Then we have Barbara, who is the mum, and she actually has made some of the cocktails from scratch herself. So she's got signature cocktails, which then we've all learned, and then we've all made as well. Would you like any peas, curry sauce?
I love green peas, please.
Garden or mushroom?
Garden. Thanks for inviting us here today. The customer service is A-class. Yeah, man. And I'm here today with Marcia and Diggs, travellers and influencers, and Marcia and Diggs hook up. You know it's going to be fire. But we're not going to film everything to make you see. You can see the meal, but we're going out afterwards, but the camera will not be on.
I work in the Wigmore Restaurant as a waitress. My name's Ruby and I work on the floor, so running drinks, running food and just attending to the customers in general.
Hi, my name's Jezaniah and I'm a bartender at the Wigmore all-day dining restaurant.
So you make all the nice cocktails. Tell me about
I like food. I know I'm not supposed to eat all the time, but I do like it's a plus for me. So I like the food, I like the staff, and yeah.
My name's Sam Warren.
This is Sam, and he's a restaurant heartthrob.
Yeah.
yeah.
Lock up your daughters.
I go off for ego and fish and chips. So,
Lock up your mothers, your daughters, and your grandmothers.
I'm a regular here at the Wigmore. I love it. I've just been to the gym and now I'm going to have a little bite to eat. I love their food, and you just can't go wrong for the high standards of quality and the lovely service and friendly people in here. I come on my own and I don't feel like I'm on my own. I had a good chat with Cody and I'm happy. I'm going to have my lunch now, or late lunch.
Thank you very much.
No problem. Can I get you any sauces or anything to go with
I'm waiting for the curry sauce to come. Yeah, and sweet potato fries.
Wow.
Thank you.
This looks
Grilled
awesome.
PLAICE. And that salad is massive. I think it's supposed to be so big. In it, and some sauce, grilled PLAICE.
That's
that
nice.
looks really good. It looks good.
Really nice.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to
Oh, you got the
this.
same thing?
Yeah, no, I got something. I got the sea bass.
You see grilled sea bass,
Sea
innit?
bass. Oh, sending it all over the place.
That's okay. And then I've got the large cod.
Doing it now before we start eating.
Sorry, D.
Yeah, no, I'll take it.
Green peas, lovely. I'm actually looking at Marsha's mushy peas. I'm gonna have some of that in a minute.
Of course you can.
And Marshi, you was right what you said about the potato. Look at it. Look at that. This is what you call potato. This is potato, not
Yeah.
potato. Some places you go, it's like potato. This is potato.
What tato?
What tato? That means there's no tato. That means there's no potato. Thank you for that, Marshy. And these as well. Dwayne was loving these. These are
Never see them.
what's it called again?
Halloumi
I
sticks.
took two and I was supposed to take one.
Oh my gosh, you're so greedy.
Garlic mayonnaise. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
Hey, Jenny, use your
Anything
way.
else I can get for you? No, just that.
No, that's perfect. Thank you. Thank you.
Wait.
This is so good. It's got a nice smoked kind of taste. Yeah. It's grilled and it's just succulent, moist. It's not dry or anything. So, love it. Really enjoying this. Fish was succulent. The potato chips was so much. I couldn't finish them, but they were lovely, crunchy. Can still taste it now.
I wouldn't ask you to video past my chest down because my stomach is like a 9-month pregnant woman. The amount of food, the portions are massive. Can I just comment on those halloumi sticks? It's like they've dipped them in cinnamon and brown sugar. And I've got a little bit here and we've kind of got some left, and I think I might take these home and put them in my Holloway a bit later. It is the banging place to be in Luton town.
That's what I can say. It's fantastic. Come to Wigmore. It's the best. Luton one. Lovely setting. Great.
It was lovely. I thank Marshy and Diggs for inviting us down here today. I tell you, you might come down here tomorrow and see me having Sunday lunch. A sneaky one in the corner.
No, I'm going to be on YouTube, man. Forget that. I'm looking ugly. Yeah, it's a good place. Really nice. The food's
Right, so we're leaving now, the Wigmore Fish Restaurant. Loved it. I'm definitely coming back. And good vibe, good food, good people. Just lovely to look at as well. And I would give this place, I did say 9 out of 10, but because Donville over here, my big bro, he convinced me to make it a 10 out of 10. And to be fair, there was no problems. I had no problems. Food tasted brilliant. There was no imperfections. So 10 out of 10 for me. What would you say, Donville?
10 out of 10, man, come on.
Yeah?
Say no more.
Cheers.
10 out of 10. Food, service, fantastic.
I give it a 10 out of 10.
Yeah?
Marshy, you're looking warm.
Looking very warm. So now we're off. We've had a great night. Gonna have enough. And we're gone.
Yeah.